I've been gone for a minute, now I'm back with the jump off. Goons in the club, case something jump off. Back up for the high, let the pump off.
Hey guys, what is going on? How are you guys doing? Are you taking care of yourself? Are you finding yourself? Are you discovering new things about yourself? I hope so. I really do though. So I did some shopping, of course, because being in the house will make you do that thing. And I decided that I wanted new brushes because I just feel like I always just use the brushes that are inside the palette that I've purchased at some point, or I just buy random cheap brushes. But like I've been doing it for so long that I never experienced like a full in-depth brush set. So I'm like, okay, let me just try this out real fast. So I kind of was trying to figure out which place I was gonna get my brushes from, because Sigma and Morphe were having a sale at the same time, and I was almost about to get the Sigma one. It was just a bunch of blending brushes that I feel like I needed because I don't have a lot of blending brushes. Like I have about 5, but like those intricate looks with a lot of colors. I need more than 5 brushes because I always just never seem to have enough. Like I just need more. So I'm on the Sigma website and I'm looking at the blending set, and I'm like, yo, I'm about to get this. Like I'm like 2 seconds away from getting it, and then I see that Morphe is also having a sale. So I go on there. Turns out you get more for less with Morphe. And not only do they give you this specific set that I bought, not only do they give you a complete set, but they give you multiple of the same blending brush in a set. So I'm like, yo, I'm getting more for less, and I'm getting like basically what I want really is to have more blending brushes, but a whole new set. That doesn't sound like a bad idea to me. So I went on ahead and I purchased the James Charles brush set. He did a partnership with Morphe. I only knew about the palette though. I didn't know that he came out with a brush set too. It was, why I don't show how much it was. I feel like it was like $150, but originally it was like $200. Like they were having a sale, and Morphe offers Afterpay, so they give you that option as well as having a sale. So is this a unboxing? Super excited. This is what it looks like coming out of the box, and this is the outside. Has Morphe X James Charles on here with these buttons, ooh, to open it up. Sigma, okay, so I don't know if Sigma brushes would have came in a case as well. So again, getting more for less. But I was actually going to buy a case because I feel like I need a case for just my brushes because it's just a lot. I have a lot and I need to have a space for these things. So I actually was going to get one. But bottom line, Sigma has like a skinnier cylinder version of this. I think it says Sigma on there, and then it comes in black, pink, and blue. The blue wasn't available. I would have got blue. However, I feel like black is perfect because my walls are white, my bathroom is white, and you can already tell where I'm going with this. I get makeup on everything. If it's on my hands, it's on the wall, the light switch, my ring light, my phone, it's everywhere. So I feel like getting black is smart. It opens like this. And so you have the two halves here. It comes with a beauty blender. This smells like it's been in a like a factory somewhere. But anyway, highlight and contour. This is perfect because I just started using this for my highlight. When I put my powder on, I really stepped away from using my like my loose setting powder. I like that. What is this? What is that noise? Anyway, that was weird. Okay, so this is an oval shadow brush. It's two of them. This is an M166 brush. And it's basically a flat brush. I probably use this for carving out my eyebrows. Maybe patting some eyeshadow down or whatever. This is so, yo, when I was just starting out, I used to watch Jaclyn Hill. I feel like everybody used to watch Jaclyn Hill. And she used to be like, yeah, I'm using the such and such and such brush. And I used to be like, yo, that is so cool. Like, yo, the brush got a name now. This is E48 mini pointed powder brush. I really didn't need face brushes because I'm very cool with my Rose Techniques. However, again, more for less. So it's kind of like a why not? Why wouldn't I just accept it? Mad soft. Mad soft. As y'all can see, let me. Very, very soft. I like this. Feels good. Feels nice. Feels like I can go places with this thing. Here we have M158 angle liner and spoolie brush. You can never, ever have too many spoolies. Then we have detail liner brush. I feel like I definitely need these because I'm trying to do more editorial looks. Most important brush that I need to have right now. My main reason for looking for a new brush set in the first place was because I need more blending brushes. When I tell you the fact that this comes with 3, okay, yeah, definitely I have to get this. We have Chubby Buffer brush. Let's see. It is very coarse. Coarse is not the word because it's still soft, but it's like very, I'm gonna say thick. Like compared to this brush, which is mad, like I can basically like do this, whereas this one is like a little bit more short and dense and compact together. This is our contour blush brush. Now, fun fact, I don't wear blush, never have worn blush. I know people be like, yo, orangish peach blush on that dark skin though. But I still haven't had the pleasure of trying out any blushes. So maybe if I'm feeling a little scandalous, I will try a blush. I am loving this. Look, on like every brush, it has the name of the brush and Morphe on it. I just think that's so cute. Like, none of my brushes are this coordinated, so I'm excited. I'm hyped at this point. Like, just don't mind me. Then we have M527 Deluxe Pointed Powder Brush. Valid, very valid. Thing that is so controlled like this. So if I need my brush, if I need color in a specific area and nowhere else, this is perfect because it is so small and dense that once I put it in a specific area, it is not going anywhere else. And I need that so bad. Got 2 of those. And we have our M124 Firm Shadow Brush. I don't know what I really would use this for. Might use this for like my inner corner. because my inner corner is my jazz. That's how I get down. So yeah, probably use these for my inner corner. Next we have our E62 brush, angled nose contouring brush. Oh, this, man, this is what I actually need. I always find myself using these random brushes to contour my nose with. I bought a brush to contour my nose with and I don't use it. I don't know what's going on in here, but it's not working out. Something's not, and they're not connecting. I don't know, but I needed this, okay? We have our M433 Pro Firm Blending Fluff Brush. Now again, the more smaller and closer together the bristles are on the brush, the more control you will have when it comes to using it on your eyelids. So pack on a color that is going to be the darkest color first. Then I will probably use this to use my next transition, my transition color. And then I will use this to either add another lighter color or just to blend my transition color out. So this is the difference between the two. Now we have our M506 tapered mini blender brush. Super duper important. Yet another brush that is important for those like looks that are very involved and complicated. I would probably use this if like I messed up somewhere, or to like bring the color back, because sometimes when you don't have the right brushes, your layering, it just can look like nothing when you're finally finished with it. And I've had that happen to me before, which was not necessarily what I was going for. So having a brush like this, I would be able to bring any color that I want into the look without having it mess it up, because it's getting straight to where we need to be. Next, our M439 Deluxe Buffer Brush. This, again, another face one that I probably won't be using too necessarily, because I really bought this set for my eye stuff. M224 Oval Camouflage Brush. Looking like yet another brush that would be good for carving out your eyebrows if needed. That looks awesome. That looks awesome. I like that. It looks amazing. I'm down. I can zig it. We down to our last few brushes, y'all. I know y'all like Gianna, and I'm like, yes. Then we have our M456 brush. I guess that don't have a name, because they don't got no name. All the other ones had like names attached to it. This one is just the M456. Yet another brush that can be used to control shadows. I really love that I got this. Really. Goodbye. Now we have our medium chisel fluff brush. This looks like another good way to put something in your inner corner. I love brightening up my inner corner. That's like one of my favorite parts of completing my face. And these also look like brushes that could be used for under eyebrow, you know, lighting. Our M501 Pro Pointed Blender Brush. This is also awesome to have, because you can do even more blending with this, and it's just really about to be lit. So last but not least, we have our E4 angled contour brush. Again, something else I already have with my Real Techniques set, but not a bad thing to have multiple of them. And so I did talk about how I actually ended up not getting the Sigma brush set, but I did order a brush from them, and it is the B12 bent liner brush. I want to try it out because I feel like all I really use is like the regular liner brushes, like the straight ones, and like maybe the bent liner can give us another vibe. We'll never know unless we try. It's the difference between this one and this one is basically that one is bent and one is not. And I feel like this one, yeah, is good, but I also want to try this because maybe it might be easier. Maybe it might be my jazz. I don't know. So this is what all the brushes look like inside of their holder. I feel like this is also good for travel as well. And I will add my older brushes in here as well. And it just makes for a very cute set, and it's gonna be very helpful. I can say that it's gonna be very helpful. And so that concludes my unboxing for today's video. If y'all want to see me do more stuff like this, let me know in the comments below. Y'all never do, but I will say it a million times until y'all start. If you are here right now and have not thought about subscribing, just take a moment to just subscribe though. Like, also give me 10,000 likes on this video. Y'all already know how I get it popping in my corner of the world. And I hope you guys enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed filming it. And I hope to see you guys in my next one. Bye guys. Peace. Yeah, because the looks that are about to come from this brush set and these hands and this mind. Follow me on Instagram, you know, like, don't be rude. This is what I'm doing with my quarantine. I'm buying stuff, spending money. Sounds very wrong to me, but how I'm gonna create with no brushes? Let me know. Let me know how I'm gonna create if I don't have nothing to create with.